What's up, everybody? Well, today I thought I'd do another full house cleaning to test vacuum cleaning performance, and I figured I'd feature again this Hoover Elite 600, but with a high performance motor installed, kind of like what I did with the Elite 350. You will notice the base on it is a little bit different. That's because since the motor was out of another Elite, I decided to do the upper base to match. As you can see, it even has the darker gray cord, but it doesn't really matter anyway. So anyway, the motor that's in this is a 7 amp motor with a 20 blade fan impeller, so it definitely improves performance and also quiets down noise. It almost sounds like the original 6 amp that was in this. It's got the dual row red bristle brush roll with the unique bottom plate to these older Elite styles. It doesn't have these ridges on each side, just one down the center. Which I like this because it kind of grooms the carpet much better with this design over the newer ones, even the metal cage design one. But anyway, another thing about the red bristle brush roll that's what to like about compared to the white bristle brush roll or the green bristle one. The white bristle one is very, very stiff. Well, not extremely stiff, but pretty stiff. The green bristles are just very soft, whereas these are that balance in between. It's fairly stiff, but just soft enough to make excellent grooming action. And also the bristles are very long. Just look how far they protrude out from the bottom plate. So this is gonna do excellent cleaning, and we'll see how it works with this 7 amp motor with a 20 blade fan impeller. And let's go ahead and get to full house vacuuming. And so away we go. Just look at that grooming action out of a dual bristle brush roll that's not too soft and not too stiff. So yeah, as you can see, I kind of left a mark right there because this carpet height adjustment on these older 80s style Elites don't raise up off the floor, so you're kind of left with whatever marks it leaves after you put it in the upright position and turn it off. But amazing performance already out of the brush roll. And this thing makes a lot of airflow to the point it kind of gets hard to push. So let's continue on. All right, now that the full house cleaning is complete, let's go ahead and take out the bag and see what exactly got pulled up. Now, I would like to keep in mind that this is actually about a half week's worth of vacuuming. So compared to when I did the Elite 350 with the high performance motor, that was from a full week. So this is going to be a little bit different judgment. Already impressive results for just about a half a week's worth of vacuuming, which I usually like to vacuum every, like, at least twice a week at the most. So this is actually pretty good results for about a half week's worth. Well, everyone, I hope you've enjoyed this video of full house cleaning on the Hoover Elite 600 with high performance motor. Be sure and stay tuned, and don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.